Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend, and this is Prince here, your trading friend. Friends, today I am very excited, and you might say that all my videos I'm excited, but this is something more very special to me. And in order to make you understand the happiness which I am, I would like to say it in a stock market language that I have won a multi-bagger, or you can also say that I got a jackpot, or you would have heard of many stories where stock getting doubled, tripled, and all those things. So I'm in that kind of situation now, and by now many of you might be knowing what I'm talking about, because I am blessed with a baby boy, plus again a baby boy. Yes, you heard it correctly. I am blessed with a twin, and that too, two boys. Friends, what else happiness a father needs? This is the reason why I told you I'm very excited today. It is nothing like getting a multi-bagger, getting a jackpot. So you buy a stock, it doubles, it triples, you'll be very happy. Same way, instead of getting one baby, I got double baby. So that is the reason why I told I got a multi-bagger today. So friends, so many of you who wished me on my WhatsApp, I'm really happy for you all. Happy for showing me so much of love and giving me so much of wishes. So, and many were asking me for treat and sweets. So that is why I thought in today's video I will share you something which is dhamaka, something like how I got double. I will also share you something which you can earn double. Okay, so with single source of income, with single fund, how to make double income. So that is what I'm going to share in today's video, and it is something very common video. It's a common strategy in case if at all you know about it. So in case you know already about it, you can skip this video. But before I reveal the name of this strategy, I would just like to give you a little more hint about it. So friends, what happens is, like in real estate, many love doing real estate. The reason because there are two gains out of it. One is nothing but the capital gain. Okay, this is nothing but your asset keeps appreciating. That is the land which you buy, or the house which you buy, apartment which you buy, it keeps increasing in value. And second thing is that you get your rental income as well. You agree with me? So what happens is, by investing a single fund, that is nothing but by buying the apartment. So let us take example of apartment. By buying an apartment, you get your capital appreciation. So it is like an asset for your family or your kids or your children. In the same way, you keep getting monthly rental income, so that it adds on to your passive income, and then you can quit your job, or you can also use it for some kind of investments and all those things. So this is the reason why many people invest into real estate. Now I would tell you, or I would give you an idea or suggestion to use the same formula in stock market as well. Yes, you heard it correctly. In stock market also we can do the same formula, the same method, by which by using a single fund you can get your capital gain as well, and also you can get your monthly rental income. I'm not talking about the stock dividend which you get yearly. That is extra bonus. It is like you have a house and suddenly you get some maintenance cost free or something of that sort, let us say. But that is not here important here. How do you get your monthly assured rental income? Okay, so let us look into this video and stay tuned till end of the video. I'll be getting full details, and also I'll be sharing it to you. Also I'll be telling it to you one more secret: how to hedge your funds. So say for example, you have your house, and in Western countries you have this habit of doing insurance for your house, but in India it's very rare. So I'll be showing you how to hedge this funds also. Nothing but you can also say how to insure, that is doing insurance for this fund, and out of the insurance also you'll be getting monthly income. So all these are going to be the multiple benefits, or you can also say the double dhamaka from the single fund. So this is my return gift for you all for the wishes which you gave to me for my twin baby today. And once again, thank you all for the wishes which you gave me. Okay, so now let us come back to our strategy which you're talking about. And friends, let me just tell you one more thing. If at all you are new to options or you have no knowledge about options, I would recommend that not to try out this strategy, because it requires little or almost, you can say 50% knowledge of options as well. Because we have to implement few tactics of options also in this, only then you will be able to implement this. But it is very easy, and also I'm not going to go in depth because it's not, this video is not covering about this particular strategy. And okay, first of all, let me tell you the strategy is nothing but covered call. Okay, so many would have heard about covered call, you would have known the importance of covered call. So today I will just give you a glimpse of the power of covered call, so that you can start thinking, you can start putting this into your mind. Because what I can see is most of my subscribers, most of my mentees or students who are learning with me are all earning only one source of income. That is why I started off this financial freedom video where I showed you how to earn different sources of income. So with single fund, you started already investing into liquid Bs, and then from there you started getting into trading. From there you started investing into mutual funds. So already you are earning three methods, three ways of sources of income. So in case if you're not started still, I would recommend you to start watching my videos and start implementing the path which I told you. And then this is one more method of earning regular rental income as well. So this is going to be the fourth source of income. Friends, it's not, don't you think it's sufficient enough? Multiple four sources of income, and then we are almost going towards a situation where we are going to get a salary from stock market trading. Okay, so let us look into covered calls. I'm not going into depth. I'm only going to share you the general overall concept, and then also how do you hedge it, how to insure it, and then by then you can be rest assured that you are safe. Okay, so I would give you a simple example. Let us take Nifty itself. So one more thing I would say is you can invest in any stocks, you can invest in any multi-bagger, you can do your research, or you can talk to, I'm not recommending any stocks here, but you can do your research, you can do analysis and invest into any stock. Okay, but for safer purpose, I would recommend to invest in Nifties. Okay, so how do you invest in Nifties? Is nothing but Nifty Bs. You can just Google it, or you can search it in your broker trading platform. You will get something called as Nifty Bees, Bees. You will read correctly. Yeah. So Nifty Bees, what happens is nothing but it is an investment in Nifty, and it means that you're investing in the full 50 stocks of top 50 stocks of India. By which what happens is, like, in case if there is any big movements or any such, or you can say our Prime Minister talking about India growing on to a 5 trillion economy. So when India grows, the economy of India grows, Nifty also will grow, because Nifty is the top 50 company of India. So by then your investment also will grow. So the first step which you have to do is invest into any particular stock, or I would recommend invest into any Nifty Bs, so by which our capital gain is happening. So the first aspect is covered. You get your capital gain by investing in any stocks, okay, or investing into any Nifty Bs. Then how can you get this rental income? I agree, by investing into any stock like HDFC Bank or anything of that sort, you will be getting this yearly dividends. So it is, we can consider it as a bonus. So I'm not talking about this. I am talking about rental. So we do this by selling a call option. Yes. So we get a rental income by selling a call option. So friends, those who are not aware of this covered calls, or those who are not tried out still, start learning about covered calls. It is the world's most common used strategy, or the world's most, you can say, the popular strategy. Okay, so this is what we are discussing today, the most popular strategy of the world, covered call. So invest into any stock and don't bring any extra fund. The same stock, the amount which you invested for your stock, you can pledge it. By pledging, you will get money for buying the selling the call options. So friends, you're getting a capital gain, and then by selling your call options, you're going to get assured monthly incomes. So you might ask me, sir, how assured it is? So I would say 80% of the time you are getting your income. And if you're very smart enough, you can also make it 100% as well by doing the adjustments, by doing the rolling of the options. So I would not recommend all this to you now. I'm not explaining in detail, but this is something which I promised you. I'll be sharing you how to hedge this, how to insure this as well. Okay. So now this is a setup. You're buying your Nifty or buying a stock, and then you're buying the call option of that particular stock, and then you're getting your rental income from that. And in case if you want to learn about this covered call, you can learn it privately or learn it separately, or you can always WhatsApp me, you know my number. Now how do we hedge this, or how do we do the insurance of this? Because anything can happen. You know that in 2008, 2000 and all, during that period, Nifty, which was trading very high, suddenly went 50% or 40% down. So even in a covered call, it is not safeguarding your full asset. So whereas in, to give you an example, in real estate, if you are having a house and suddenly now you saw the news in Kerala that a big apartment, they had to demolish it all of a sudden. So then the people who had invested had hardly got back some small amount from the government. But how do we, in the same way in stocks also, there is no guarantee for your stock. If the Nifty crashes or if the stock crashes, We have recent example of S Bank as well. So when S Bank crashed, you saw that the full funds went, the full price value of Yes Bank from 400 went to almost 40 rupees. So there is no guarantee that this money is safe. Though you are getting your rental income, though you are getting your capital gain, there is no guarantee that this money is safe. Now, how to ensure this? So for that, what you have to do is you have to implement something called as covered put. Friends, what is covered put? Covered put is nothing but you are selling a put option, at the same time you are selling the future. I'm not talking about, say for example, you buy Nifty by buying Nifty Bs and implementing this covered call option. Then what you have to do is, to ensure it, you have to do the covered put with Nifty futures. So by futures, you know that you can sell it, nothing but writing it. So you can hedge it by doing the covered put. So you might ask me, sir, the gain in Nifty might compensate by the loss in Nifty future, but I am talking this as a separate strategy. So by doing covered put and by doing the adjustments, you are generating a separate income from covered put as well. And this covered put is doing two things to you. One, it is generating monthly income, that is nothing but the rental income. Second, it is also hedging this capital. So friends, implementing this covered put also, don't go blindly jump into it, learn more thoroughly. I am trying to give you an awareness that all these kind of techniques are available, so that you start using your brain, start making your brain open. Don't start investing don't only go for trading or only go for a single source of income. These are the multiple methods available for making multiple sources of income. Okay, so what you have to do is invest into a stock. After you invest, as soon as possible, you can start. First you have to pledge it and then immediately start doing the covered call options. And the same fund, mind you, with the same fund, you can start implementing covered put as well. You can sell the future, hedge it, and implement the covered put. And the covered put must be very smart enough. You have to roll it regularly, you have to observe it regularly, so that what happens is, like, you start generating income from covered put as well. So friends, this is what was the promise which I gave to you, that I'll be showing you how to earn multiple or dhamaka from a single fund. So we have just use a single fund to improve our capital or increase our capital. From that, we are also getting the dividend. We are also getting the rental income from sell by covered calls. Also, we are getting the rental income from covered put, and also we are hedging this capital. Almost similar to a real estate. You are buying a land, you are getting a rental income from that. Not land, apartment or a house. You are getting a rental income. Also, you are buying insurance, and it is not from any extra money. You are getting it from the same capital. All these things are happening. Friends, all these are possible in stock market. Don't keep yourself limited. Stock market is huge, huge, huge. Open up your minds. You can learn lots of things, lots of safe methods of earning income. So today also we have looked into multiple sources of earning income from stock market. If at all you have not learned about it, if at all you are not aware of this, I would say start doing a research on this, start googling on covered calls and covered puts, or start asking me your doubts. I'll clarify to you one-on-one if at all you feel like you need any support from me. And also friends, this is one among the most popular methods used in the Western countries for regular sources of income. Friends, so this was what I wanted to tell you today in this particular video, and also just wanted to give you an update about my ATF mentorship program. Friends, it's doing very nicely, tremendously, because I was really happy during the month end. When we closed the November month, we saw that many of them who were making previously losses started closing their months in profits for the first time. So I was really happy. If at all you have seen my WhatsApp status, almost I think 15 to 20 of them sent me their monthly ledgers where they were closing their months in profits. And I'm not promising you that you'll make 100%, 200% returns. I'm just saying start the first step of closing every month in profits. And how do we achieve that? You all know in my program I teach, start concentrating every week to close in profit. So when you are in profit every week, then you are going to close every month also in profit. So if at all you feel that you need a mentor, you need a guide to teach you, and what difference is it from my YouTube videos? Because in YouTube I'm only sharing you my strategies. Because I feel in mentorship program there will be one-to-one approach. I'll be teaching you personally, guiding you one-to-one. Only then I will know what is your level of understanding, or only then I'll know how you understood about money management and trading discipline. That is why I am teaching you one-to-one. It is not I'm not putting you into any group or anything of that sort. It is going to be pure one-to-one training. So in case if you feel that you need the importance of a mentor in your life, then you can subscribe to my mentorship program as well, friends. And also one small update about my Upstock. In case if you feel like joining Upstock, a trading platform, very good trading platform, they have lots and lots of benefits. They are charging zero fees, and also they're giving you Paytm voucher of Flipkart voucher of 500 rupees in case if you join Upstock up till December 31st. So also multiple benefit which you're going to get is you'll be getting 50% discount from my mentorship program as well. And so in case you want to avail all these benefits, you can use the link which I provide in the description of this video. And any other doubts, any confusion, you can always WhatsApp me. You know my number, it's 8095 876525. And also friends, thank you once again very much for all the wishes, for all the love which you gave to me. And once again, I'm very happy, very excited. So for all the wishes you gave me, I have given back my gift today. Start implementing this fourth method of multiple sources of income, and we are all going towards financial independence, financial freedom. So we are almost on the fourth level. In case if you are not started still, or in case if you are watching for the first time, I recommend all of you to start going through my previous videos where I started a particular journey on financial independence, and follow all the steps. It is very simple, very useful, and any point of time you can WhatsApp me anytime. Please don't call me because you know that I'll be busy. So please WhatsApp me anytime. I will reply to you 100%. So thank you and have a nice day.